You'd be hard-pressed to find a better renovation job, a better home in general in Redwood City. Behind me is 416 Quartz. This is pristine luxury living. Come check it out. It looks even better now that it's done. Let's go check out the newest house in the neighborhood. We're talking brand new electrical, 10-foot ceilings, a new floor plan, open concept, brand new kitchen. Hasn't even been installed yet. Almost 3,000 square feet of living space on a 10,000 flat square foot lot. It's one of one. Keep in mind, everything you're gonna lay your eyes on in here is brand new. Oh, the kitchen's done. A beautifully brand new landscaped and hardscape backyard, a new retaining wall, drainage systems. You can't get better than this at 416 Quartz in Redwood City. This is the kind of home that speaks for itself, ready to be moved into tonight.